So this is what I keep saying in the pond to use the waterfall foam for, spraying in between the rocks. Now I know I'm not in the pond, I'm out of the pond, but when I go to pull on this, it's not moving. The foam absolutely locks the rocks in place, and it doesn't matter. I mean, I cannot move these rocks. They are in there very well. And then when it comes time to get rid of the excess foam, I just use a multi-tool. So basically, I'll leave the foam just like that in the pond. Out of the pond, I have a little bit more cleanup to do so I don't see it. But as you can see, I think the plants are going to set root in that, no problem, and I'll never see it again. That's it. Happy ponding.